Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm very happy to see you people again. So today, as you all can see, I have already my open chart on XAUUSD, and I want us to do some analysis because New York is almost opening. So let's go straight and see what we are gonna do on it. As you all can see, like gold has been consolidating ever since yesterday. Actually, it has been moving up and down, and I see it like it is going to continue spiking up, because down there is really nowhere for it to be down. So as you all can see, I have here my FVG. Those ones, I don't use them as signals, I use them as information for where I should enter from. So yeah, that's why you see it there. So I do much of my analysis, I do drawings, and that one is just like an addition to what I have already. So let's go straight. As you all can see, this is a weekly time frame, and like I said, I start from daily to 15 minutes. So let's go straight to daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, yesterday actually I expected it to remain bullish, but instead gold closed it bearish. So what does this mean to us today? Because as you can see, the today's candle is also bearish. That means our analysis, we are going to concentrate much on bearish move, because we cannot oppose the market. We cannot oppose where gold has taken the direction. If we oppose it, there are higher chances of it disappointing us. So let's start our drawings. Like I said, I see gold bounced from where you all can see this FVG signal. So let me draw my resistance line up here. Not this one. So last time on Sunday, I did some analysis on GBP USD and then USD card, but they actually did me well. I took some profits, though I didn't wait for it to hit my stop loss, because I can't allow the market to take what it already gave me. So I started locking until I ended up in positives. So, and that's the same way you can trade gold. You cannot just wait for it to hit it, maybe where I've put my TP to be, and you wait and be like, okay, since I say this, it's going exactly like that in that area. No. Whenever you see any profit, just shut it down and you rest. That's how we do in the market. But if you continue to waiting for your TP to be hit when you're seeing that gold has been consolidating all day, that means you're calling it to come for what you have made. So let's go on, because here you see there is no, I don't have to draw here a lot. So let's come back to our 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, this is actually the most simplest strategy you can ever find on the internet, because here there is nothing like the way people can tell you this and this. By the time the person finishes explaining, when you don't know anything, you just forget whatever they have said. So here we see there is a support level at this area, as you all can see this candle. So, and like I said, there is FVG as information. So here also FVG is showing me something of buy, though like I said, I don't use it as my signals for me to like consider it as a signal. No, that is just like my information. So when we see here, gold has already formed what? It has already formed another support level in that part. So now we have drawn all our support levels, and let's bring the thing, because gold was rejected actually here. It tried to cross, but it couldn't continue up, so it reached that level and it bounced down. So let's we expect this one also maybe to reach that same level, then it bounces down. So let's check it on a 1-hour time frame. I don't use the 2-hour time frame. So here let's put our drawings well. We have a support level this area, then we have it here as well. So yeah, now I think we have all our lines, and I see even, but this one is not yet clear because gold is still forming, so we can't actually consider this for now because it is just 15 minutes past 4 my time. So it can easily slope down and it breaks our line. So let's first check it on a 30 minutes. So in a 30 minutes, as you all can see, gold is already on top of the C of the former resistance. So that means this was we are now seeing a break of the market structure, because when we draw our trend line here, let me draw it well. When we put our trend line here, we are going to see the break of the market structure from this level around that. Let's put it well. Now we are seeing here a break of the market structure, and that happened at this C level. It happened at this level. So that means if gold is to return back down, we expect it to reach where this FVG is, this green line. So this is where we should expect to wait for our small buys from, because I know it will surely come back to test that level at all cost. So because a break of the market structure happened, and for it to continue up, that means it has to come back again and retest, make a retest here in this line where you're seeing this horizontal line. So so now me, if I'm to wait for any entry here, I would actually put it around this level. I wait for buy, like I said, where our market is not on a bigger time frame. It is selling, but on the smaller ones it shows buy. So we just enter there with our smaller positions and we take it out. You don't have to wait for the market to collect whatever you make, because if you wait for it, gold will always clear you out. Gold is not like GBP/USD or USD/JPY, because those ones at least can give you the time to think, but this one is too volatile. The moment you think like this, it just comes straight and carries you out. So I advise anyone to always lock your positions. Once you see that it has gone to positive, let's say like your account is 1,000 and gold has made you like $20 off 1,000, which is 2%. It is better you lock $10 before you wait for it to come and collect everything, because if you lock 10, at least that one is going to work for you. Even if it comes, at least you took out something small. So I'm going to put my line here because we are going long. So I don't know why the thing is not long, because we are going long. So, and good enough, it already formed a break of the market structure. So our entry should be around this level, then a stop loss should be here, because as you all can see here, we have got a support level in this area, and here if at all it slopes down, that means gold has decided to change direction, but of course it won't happen that way. But remember, this gold has to come and make a retest here before it can continue. So my TP, I would actually drag it all the way up here, up to around 48.90, because we are not targeting too much on it. So you can put a TP at 4192 at that level. Let's adjust this and we bring this one here, because as you all can see why I'm putting this stop loss here, you see there is a support level in this area, and that means I can't actually put it where exactly where the support is, because it will always come and take it, then continue. So I put it here, then the stop loss has to be a bit down here. So let me mark it where I'm going to put my pair, my position, the stop loss, and take profit. And if at all you want to learn, if you don't know what to do here, it is better you join my Telegram channel. It is down on the description. And if you're looking for the broker to trade with, I still have a link below the description of this video, and yeah, you can go straight to it, and yeah, you're going to find more information and my signals, I can say, because there is no signal that are 100% accurate. That one has to be in your mind, because the market will always play around. So here is going to be my TP. Put TP at 4193. So my entry is going to be here. Entry. Me, I enjoy trading gold. Like, I trade it like once in a day. Me, when I don't always go to it. Like, when it gives me a first loss, I rarely go back to it. One loss is the end of the day for me. So here is going to be our entry. Let's see, 4144. Then our stop loss has to come to this level. So it is better you put in a smaller lot, so that it won't drag you far. Even if it drags you to the stop loss, at least you won't make too much loss on it. But if you wait for it, so stop loss SL at 4130, actually 4130. So let us put them well. If you want to learn, you join my Telegram channel, and shall take you through the course. If you want a broker, you can still, if you don't know how to register, or if you're confused, if you want to open a demo account, I can still help you with it. Everything, just go direct to my Telegram channel, join and send a message, I want to learn, or I'm from YouTube, so that we can assist you so easily. So yeah, I think this is it. So let's wait for gold to reach this level before we can think of taking any position. But for now, just look at it and wait for it to reach that level. Then you take trades, but don't just enter anyhow. And also don't wait for it to reach that level. Continue up, then you start picking, then you start entering it from the middle. Because you saw I put my TP at around 4193, then now you enter it at around 4161. That would be wrong, because I expect by the time it reaches here, when you have locked your profits, maybe when you have locked like a half of what it has made. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and comment, so that you can still you can let me know what is wrong, what I should improve on it. And yeah, please, and also subscribe to it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Maybe 2 days from now, I'm going to drop another video on GBP/JPY, because GBP/JPY is actually my best pair when it comes to accuracy. When it comes to analysis, GBP/JPY, GBP/USD. Those ones I'm good at, even US30, but that one I don't do it all the time because I have only a few pairs. I don't do more than 8 pairs. I analyze more than 4 pairs actually. So join my Telegram channel, like my video and subscribe please. Thank you for watching. Bye.